Yes, Iyah. Yes, Iyah. Yes, Iyah. And good morning to all my innocent, all my viewers and subscribers on the voice of Bed Miller. Yeah. For me I say now, brother, what a day. What a day. It was yesterday at the Barrack School Sports. What a day it was, brother. Boy, I made some things going to Barrack School Sports yesterday. I mean, never see take place in the history of Barrack School Sports. All these years, me I take picture and photograph of Falmouth and I got Barrack School Sports. Eh? Boy, I tell you, brother. And first and foremost, you know, man, me go get a postmortem on the sports day yesterday. And you see it. Because I talk on behalf of the kids them. And the kids them I talk about, you know. And the kids them Michael Manley Pitney I talk about this morning, you know. What take place yesterday, you know. And you see it. Yeah. And the kids them of Falmouth. Especially the kids them fuck them out. Wow. And them first year of Barrack School Sports. Them first year competing. You know see it. I want primary sports. Me I talk the grade 1 kids them. The grade 1 kids them. Because I stand corrected, you know. Because my sister in Daisy. Fear twin. You know see it. I go to the twin of them. Because I call him Twinny. Because every twin me know me call him Twinny. I'm glad twin of them first year. You know see it. Competing at Barrack School Sports. Because I believe so they did. I believe the twin of them used to go Falmouth Gardens basic school. You know see it. And some things what really hurt me the most, you know, yesterday, you know, brother. And when time before at the 2 grade 9, no, at the two under 9 race them, you know, the 2 under 9 relays them, you know, the boys and girls only, the 2 under 9, because it's supposed to have under 9, under 11, and under 13 are the biggest kids them. And the relays for the under 9 boys and the under 9 girls them. Yes, and that hurt me if you know say them kids there and them first track meet. Because I left out that because them kids they come from basic school. Because you know say when you have basic school sports there, they don't have no track where they run one, you know. They don't just have one straight track when they run up and down. You know see it. But them sack race, yeah man, the egg and spoon race and all them sitting there. So the first time for them now to run on, I see it. That's what I tell them, man. Me talk. You know see it. They you can't have, when you come on the track season, you know see it. When you come on to track and field time, they feel if you prepare and mark. So the kids them can teach them kids the little grade 1 kids them how if you run on the track. Or if you run on the track, you can't keep sports there. Only a mark track two days before the actual sports day. Because I don't tell the people them saying that only when time sports time coming up, park field look after, you know. Only when they rush it and do what they want to do. Because when TJ speak out to me from we are February, because sports will keep them in a March, and TJ start ball about the field, and we go link guard, and we cut the field from February. The sports day keep the 4th of March. Because sports will go keep before he show they normally keep it. When me and Blue and Blacks cut the field in time there, you know see it. The field they not when they left mark. And they don't mark it. You know see it? I'm under the field mark. I mean I go to what I'm talking about now, see right now. It will hurt me for see little kids them. You know see it? Because they don't understand the running around the track, you know. And one time the girls when the under 9 girls them relay. And the kids them the girls in front of Red House. Them are lead. You know see it? They might follow the track and they go on the track and they might lead and then stop the race. If you don't know, so I wonder why they didn't stop the first under 9 girls race. Really. You know see it? And when they stop the under 9 girls one, and the boys them know. Because we start to big up Twinny, you know, because first me I go see them when you know. Because me always see their mother, they big them up. Falmouth Garden Basic Sports Day. First, me go see the 2 little kids in my run. They wear them. And imagine, but I know say a parent, I see in son them, a compete a primary. And hand them because they race they know. Yeah man, the way the old kids them a lead again. You know see it? Because I watch you race, and me not because the 2 of them, they see 2 boys them they are part of the relay. You know see it? Because they must follow the track ground, you know. Bring other kids and make they mess up themselves, they run all about the place. They must maintain the track and they go on the track. You know see it? And when time I see one of Twinny them are 30 and they lead by a far, they must follow the track. When other kids are run cross track and them back out, they don't understand the thing. Because they teach them. So when in Twinny them are the kids them what will use them head and understand the thing. And they go for victory. So when Twinny the 30, if you can't go get the other kids to finish it, then stop the race again. Then stop the race. Yeah, my friend, I don't know why they stop the race for. Because all they do the thing good, and them forget the privilege to win. Can you say after sports day, they go get their medal and all them sitting there. On deny the youth them the kids them their medal. Because of what? Because of partiality. Partiality. And that hurt me about the sports day now. And the 2 little boy them first sports. Left in basic school and come into primary school. And I tell you better, it's not a pure chaos yesterday. Pure chaos. The meat ain't go top. Because I don't care about no politics, brother. Never in a bicycle sport so much politics going on a park yesterday. And people have to speak out. You know, see, and you see me, you know, you see my mission a park. You see my mission a park. We go ease off a park for right now. Because I'm glad since the sports day come. You know, see, come and finish yesterday. Because I'm going to tell people, say, after the 16th of September last year, when I have bonfire upon Parkfield. Because I said Michael Manley Pitney. The 16th of September. You know, see it. And yesterday was the 16th of September 2024. Yesterday was the 16th of April 2025. I don't feel me. I'm serious I know, you know. But that's why the sports day come and go. When the nango people, when the nango see me a park again so easy, you know. Until when time park field of grass like what the pan State Sports Complex. And them feel it and them grass there. For the pan park field. For the kids him can run up and down pan. Because my God, mom is one little girl a ball yesterday. Because you know the kids him a play barefoot they run, you know, and socks, you know. Me see one go, me never run through the 1 hour, but like Maka. I pay Maka on the field. You know see it? Pay Maka. Me see one little girl a ball. Oh Maka stick up in her socks and all them sitting there. Cry, she they cry. You know see it? I them think they grieve me, brother. The little kids them. And they don't do nothing at all for them. when it come on to sports, at a grassroots level. And imagine when you push politics down on the sports yesterday. A shame and disgrace. The way you behave yesterday. That's when they tell some parents you boycott the thing, you know, because of the greenhouse and pushing anything, you know. You try all the best for greenhouse win yesterday. And you couldn't prevail. By school field, by school surface, the playground. And if you have proper grass in, I mean now I go back over back school again until when time them have grass like what done a state sports complex. Every primary school and every high school as much as possible, if you have grass like what me not talk stands and sitting, you know, grass like what done a state sports complex. Where kids can't only play along barefoot and nothing at all. No matter, you can't have sports day in a seat. And kids, and you have, come here, all one parents are complain about back up on the field and all them sitting there. The field not prepare properly for sports, then rush the thing. In a seat. At that, you know, if you spend money upon and stop spending money upon for buy your people and all them sitting there. Spend money upon the playgrounds for the kids them. Come say, I will miss you a 4-year-old. Messi start play football. We don't do nothing at all for the grass for the kids them. And that me I talk about. When you bring politics down on the sports day yesterday. For what me don't know. Come say what really are going. Greenhouse alone have 4 tents. And 2 of one of them all over the tent them. When you bring in a green carpet, when you green official carpet, when you bring all fun, when all had a house, they eat ordinary lunch from the school. I pay KFC, greenhouse I eat. Pay KFC no name. You understand me? That never happened before by school sports. Why not choose to do that this area? When you can trick people, you know, and you can fool the people, you know. When you can't fool the people sometimes, when you can't fool the people all the while, you know. And Michael Manley pitting the freedom with you all the while, I'm not afraid of one, you know. Come in sell out, you know. All that overdo, but the place I get to the psyche. They get to the brain. And that I do among the people, you know. That's why I can call people name for me thing, you know. That's why I have to big up a long time on top of the say, you know. I have to big up Valda Ellis. Big up Valda Ellis 1 year when time 2 over 1 trying to come on from a United match. And Valda lock gate upon and say she will pay. Pay if you come in. And Tova and him bodyguard, I must say my Andre take with himself. Valda say Tova have to pay if you come in a center. Then people are serious. A long time I want to talk about that. You know, see, you see the beginning of my thing yesterday. I start big up all who contribute towards the playground. I said park playground, and the MP they responsible for park playground. At Tova responsible for park playground. Young the MP them. I mean, and debate about that again. It's a shame and disgrace on push politics for the kids them. Come as the kids that get a green band and all them sitting there. I want you to try to do. Eh? That's why Michael Manley Pitney, I go stand up against you, no better. Anything you want to do, you can do, you know. See me alone down there, fully orange. Me free for my orange anyone go. Because I'm just a civilian. I'm not a politician, you know. I'm a normal man, you know. So I can't wear. I want to go sick of my orange. Because pay orange me wear. But you don't see nothing yet. You don't see nothing yet, you know. Because pay orange me wear, you know. For no until eternity, you know. After election. Because I start up my house, inside and out I go paint in orange. I love orange. Orange and black are my favorite color right now. Orange and black. When I go sick of me in orange. You know, see it. Come tell you, Michael Manley Pitney. You know, see it. I know PMP. Because enough of the PMP, they no sell out. Enough of no PMP sell out. Me no PMP, brother. Me greater than PMP. Because it's the greatest Prime Minister Jamaica have ever seen. Him in a different. If we talk about him. Yes. So one thing PMP, if you know, say, my vote, 1,000,000% sure. No doubt. Cause one man can buy me out. Like I'm saying, I buy out the people yesterday. I want to try if you try everything to win the sports day yesterday. And God nah sleep. And Red House win. And we get fairness and say, I want to come with in a seat. Control Red House. They say I check control Red House. That's the argument was that boy check control Red House. Why them can't have back greenhouse? When you put back on the greenhouse and try and you see. Because totally Red House them are lead in a seat. In the under 9 release them. In a seat. And stop the race them. We can't talk big and bold, you know. Permanent thing, you know. They can't talk big and bold. Hi, son. Hypocrisy going on buy school sports yesterday. Una stoop to some levels. You know see it. You know see it. One of you do not know. The money they want to take. Fix the playground, brother. Mark that you got the pitney them. Pay a ball, pitney my ball. Because the poor people pitney them and the kids have to run on a barefoot. I done me down the park field, you know. Me not go back over there again, you know. Because me know say, you see now, don't go bush up again, you know. Down there, I go fire up again, you know. Watch and see. Only the Falmouth morning, Sunday morning ballers them. I go and maintain for the part where they really play them ball. Because them have a group thing with them drop money for what they want to do. And any old, I wish them to they can unite same way. But any of them fall apart. Me sorry for Parkfield. Me now go back to Parkfield again. Until grass like we don't have state sports complex. That's why I say Mr. Keith Wellington and my Prime Minister. We talk about Mr. Keith Wellington. Even for the election. I don't stop talking about that's why I always feel comfortable watching sport at state sports complex. That's why because of state sports complex, I now left Central Elizabeth. I don't dying for the cup to start. You see when the cup start, it was at 10 years now, at 10 years anniversary now. The last time states win in a seat. Win the Costa Cup, you know. And you see him under a car and Tony to travel up and down, you know, behind states. And you see him under a car and go traveling in the 10-year anniversary. I don't say, I'm not dying with the cup start, brother. I done with, I cool off as watching sports at Trelawney. Because there's no playground at Trelawney for the youth them. The parish where the world fastest man come from. No playground. A bicycle sport mark at the pay mark. A shame and disgrace. Because when the place the people all the chop down tree them down the same and all them sitting there. You know see it? Shame and disgrace. What if you spend money pan, you not spend money pan. If you go take millions if you put back it is. And one day, it will happen. It must happen, you know. When we have leaders who care about the kids them, who don't care about them about the people them. And the MP, you should be ashamed of yourself. Fix the playground, lady. Put proper grass in panny. Come and see a little girl that cried yesterday. And he burned me on the way about the twin them medal, you know. Because when a parents he told go son them I go win a medal. And stop the race. And that hurt me, you know. And stop the race when you told go put the pan the way those kids them, you know. When other kids are doing foolishness, come and teach them how to run on track. And who they run on track properly, they not get no reward. When you stop the race, because you try all you try to deny the way those from win yesterday. Because one time a greenhouse a lead. No care what you want to do, brother. God not sleep. So, me not talk too long, brother. Me not talk too long. But when you not see me at back school again, me not go there again. Me go capture the sports and all of the chaos are going yesterday. So, you see it. So people are cussing a coil. It depends on the vice of bed miller. So you can go watch it. Big chaos and big disgrace. When the political thing when you push for the people them. Everything you want to try to bother what I want to try for, yes. When you feast and fest and all, when you KFC and everything. When you fun, when you green carpet and 2 over flags them all around. I tell me never see that yet. Never see that yet at one sports day. Me never see no political party. Me go highlight sports day them. Highlight sports day me go. Me go nip school sports. You know see. Me go Iyah infant. Me go Iyah primary. Unfortunately, me no get to go to Holland High School sports. But me know say them foolish not go to Holland High School. You should be ashamed of yourself, you know, brother. Look how the place stay. The kids went in a maca. Grass back up on the field. And they spend money upon pay foolish, they spend money upon the brother. We don't do nothing at all for the kids about the grassroots level. Nothing at all in the hand. Because the grade one pick them, they come live from basic school, come to primary school. You know, see it. When you can't spend money to put some top class grass like what me I sign off now. One thing me I say, by school now go see me again. I mean it right now, because I don't do the work right now. Sports day come on sports day. I did me call me say Michael Manley Pitney. I mean live to see the sports day take place today. Now see me at by school again. Until by school have grass like what upon state sports complex. And that's all the primary schools them have and high school have grass like them grass there. Can be future state sports complex all the while. Big up yourself, Mr. Keith Wellington. Big up your damn self, Mr. Keith Wellington, my Prime Minister. Mr. Keith Wellington and my Prime Minister. Because when the man take a high school backyard, playground, and turn it into one sports complex. D-Cup final play down the Ben Francis final play down the D-Cup semi-final, Ben Francis semi-final. You know, see it. Something the Western Champs final. See how States win a helicopter. Helicopter. I want to know some people. Back school, I'm not for me not dying for D-Cup to start. I'm not dying for D-Cup to start. I don't listen me go and go watch sports. I'm not busy nobody wants. I not only fan what you know. But you come on to watching sporting thing, state sports complex me thing there. When you hear me, shame and disgrace. This is the prosperity time and the biggest cool shit in the rural come a fall mud. All up on the playground. Pick them up and down in a seat. In a maca and all them sitting there. And feel full of backland and all them sitting there. And I come talk about don't take people fool. As I say, the sports day overall was nice yesterday. Big up the Red House. And let's big up all the house them. Big up the teacher brethren who really control Red House. Because you are the only teacher who jump on and start out the field. So Red House deserve the victory. You deserve the victory, General. I pass student and name. Remember what your name. You deserve the victory. Then try to take it thief for you, but God prevail. And that's God on time, you know. That's God on time. So Michael Manley Pitt no afraid of no. Me alone, you know, fully interested down upon them. At the biggest start them attack. Then if you know to me some Michael Manley Pitt is serious. What I say? Now one man army, you know, like one you know. So, as I may say, big up yourself, Suko. Big up yourself, Suko. And I tell you, say, my friend, in a seat. There you see, and I told look out, and as kids, them boy, God know. We feel it for the twin them, we feel it for the little twin them. And them first really together. In the seat. The boy, they get their medal, brother. They get their medal. Actually, the man, the little boy, they get their medal. On the too damn wicked. They forget them because they have go on the track properly. And other kids confused. And they follow the track. And stop the youth them. And stop the two little kids. And stop the kids them, brother. And that me vex. Me all vex and now what you know. But me not done talking, brother. Me vex. Yes, vex. Sure.